Hey, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you where to find good products to sell on Amazon. So stay with me, we'll be back in a second. My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family. Good to have you back, guys. So today's video, I'm going to sort of walk you through how to go about finding products on Amazon. So how to find good products. You can sort of see on my computer here, this is a nursing poncho, all right? So this nursing poncho is basically, it enables breastfeeding in public. It's a canopy. It enables you to, as a stroller cover, right? So you can put over your stroller, right? Very basic, very simple product, right? Has no batteries, as you sort of see here. It's sort of like a poncho that ladies wear, right? So it's very good, very well designed. You sort of see here, they've got great images. Now, what else they've got? Cotton, it's lightweight. You got a little baby there. The baby's very happy, right? And this is pretty much how it is. So it's a stroller, car seat, baby carrier, high chair, and shopping cart, right? Now, it's doing some pretty good numbers. If you run the numbers on this particular product, it's actually doing some good numbers, right? Now, remember, your first product should ideally be simple product, lightweight, less than 45 centimeters really in size, like a shoebox, folds down, something obviously that's profitable. It needs to be making money, otherwise what's the point of doing all this, right? And obviously something that doesn't have electronics in it. Especially as their first product, stay away from the batteries. Leave the batteries to somebody else that knows what they're doing, someone else that's an Amazon seller that actually has done this before and knows all the procedures and the red tape if you want to jump on a product that has batteries. I've actually got students who do jump on battery operated products, right? But it's their second product, or it's their third product, or fourth product, right? It's not their first product. They want to keep it basic and really simple. So let me show you the numbers on this particular product. Now, look at the numbers. Let's just wait for it to load, right? Again, what you're looking for are profit figures, right? So this is doing 13,938 US per month, 1,000 in sales, right? So it's actually doing pretty decent numbers, right? Let's just go down here. It weighs 0.5 pounds, which is nothing, and that's it there, right? It's actually doing some pretty good numbers. Now, look at this. Where do you find the actual supply for this, right? I've jumped on Alibaba. You can sort of see here, Alibaba found the pretty much exactly the same one. You can buy these for $2.80, right? And the minimum order quantity is 1, so you don't have to buy 1,000 or 10,000, right? You can buy one of this particular product just to test the market. So guys, there are so many ways to go about finding products. If you're interested in getting something started on Amazon, right, there are so many ways to find products, and in terms of where to find them, right, you need to make sure, again, you've got to have software like this, but you've also got to know what to look for, all right? You've got to know in terms of the parameters that I give you, small, lightweight, profitable, brandable, something you can attach your logo to. Is that something you want to do? Bring in your own brand, maybe sell your own branded product, right? These are the types of things that we show you how to go about doing and building out your Amazon business. So if you're based in Australia or New Zealand and you're looking to find out more information, give us a call. The number's below the screen. Our Sydney office is 02 8003 7534. I would love to speak to you, and we actually are running a live training. It's coming up, all right? So I'd love to see you at our 2-day live training where you bring your laptop. We find products in the room. We find suppliers in the room, and we actually do even product listings in the room as well. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.